Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a motion blur to your videos in Davinci Resolve. Once you're inside Davinci and you have your video in your timeline, guys, all you have to do, simply head over to the effects section on the upper left hand side, click on that. Then you want to go ahead and ensure that you click on Open Effects. Use a search and simple type in blur. And once you type that in, you will find a bunch of different blurs that you can use. You want to scroll down to where you have the Resolve Effects Temporal, and you will find motion blur. Just simple drag this onto your video. If you're currently using the free version of DaVinci, right, you will realize that once you add it, like myself, that it has the DaVinci Resolve Studio over it. But if you're using the paid version, you will have this, and there will be no issue to use DaVinci Resolve motion blur. So what's going to happen is that how do you use it? So all you have to do is just drag this onto your video, and you will have the motion blur added. Keep in mind that if you want to modify it a bit, you want to head over to the effects section, the inspector on the upper right hand side, and from here you have the motion blur. So it's currently set to 50. If you bring it to 0, then it's nothing, but if you want to have more motion blur, you can add it all the way up to 100. And as you can see, the more I change this, the blur can increase or decrease on the video. Let me increase it to 100 and show you. So the video is now playing, and you can see those different motion blurs showing there. If I reduce it, you can see that there's not so much motion blur. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.